never had a hot toddy, but can I get a hot toddy, please? Like, seriously. Like, hey, what's up, everybody? It's your girl, Krissy M, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. So for today's video, you guys, I'm actually going to be swatching some of my favorites Christmas holiday melted liquid lipstick from Too Faced, you guys. They recently just came out with their collection, their holiday collection. I'm so excited. Each and every year, you guys, they come out with a collection. Last year it was like gingerbread, and it was like one more gingerbread man, and it may have been like gingerbread woman. I don't remember, but I know that I do have the gingerbread man, if I'm not mistaken. But I absolutely love it, you guys. It smells so good. It smells like gingerbread, and it looks so good on my lips. So before we hop into the video, you guys, make sure, if you are new to my channel, first and foremost, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Krissy M. All right, if you're loving the video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload the videos. So let's go ahead and hop into it, y'all. You guys, so Too Faced this year came out with their holiday collection, you guys. First and foremost, they came out with it early. I believe it was in October when they was first announcing what they were going to be having, and I was like, I have to pick up some of this product because I absolutely love Too Faced, and I just love their products and the brand itself and how they just, what they stand for, what it is, and what it do. I just love it. So you guys, I picked up this during the Sephora VIB sale. This is their Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses. This is their liquid lipsticks, you guys. If you guys have tried them before, drop a comment down below letting me know what you like about the actual melted liquid lipstick. If you have not already tried it, sis, you need to go get you some, okay? Because these are phenomenal and I absolutely love the product, okay? So you guys, so this is 4 mini melted liquid lipsticks, you guys, and these are perfect for all year round, to be honest, but perfect for the holidays. Whether you're going to a party or you're gonna be with family or you're going on a date night, these are perfect for you and your look. So you guys, the colors and the scents that we do have for these are Hot Toddy, we have Candy Cane, we have Sugar Cookie, and then we have Caramel Apple. Yummy, yummy. These sound so good. Like, I just want to eat it up. I just want to eat it. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch these on a lip, you guys, to actually see what they look like, how they feel. All right, you guys, so I got my lip gloss off my lips because you know your girls' lips be dry, especially since winter time has hit. My lips have been a little crusty, but that's okay. I'm getting them together with the moisturizer. So you guys, I'm gonna go in with Hot Toddy. This is Hot Toddy, you guys. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? And it's so mini. Oh my gosh, it's a mini size. Okay, look at that, you guys. Such a great color. I'm loving the color. Let's zoom in just a little bit more in focus. Really, really nice color, you guys. Let's go ahead and swatch on the lips to see what it's looking like. Let me just say, this makeup look does not go with this lip. First and foremost, I just did a makeup look, you guys, and so this is why my makeup is done like this. So that's for another video. But you guys, I absolutely love the color of it, and oh my gosh, like, the smell of it is so phenomenal. I've never had a hot toddy, but can I get a hot toddy, please? Like, seriously, like, this smells so good. What is a hot toddy? I don't even know what a hot toddy is, but it smells amazing, you guys. And then this is what it looks like on the lips. All right, you guys, I actually like I said, I love the melted liquid lipsticks. Oh my gosh, they dry matte. Oh my gosh, I can like kind of taste the Hot Toddy scent in my mouth. Like, it is phenomenal. Like, seriously, oh my gosh, you guys, this is crazy. But I absolutely love the color. I think it's perfect for fall. I think it's perfect for all year round. Let's just, you know, get over with it. I love the color. I love the liquid lipsticks. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Y'all know what? I'm telling y'all, that lipstick tastes a little sweet now. I don't know, they putting it, making it sweet now, but it tastes a little good. All right, you guys, so the next color that I'm actually going to move in with is Sugar Cookie. Oh my gosh, look at Sugar Cookie. Oh my gosh, Sugar cookie. Oh my god, I love this tone, you guys. So pinky, so just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Let's open it up. And this is what it looks like. It smells just like a sugar cookie, y'all. It makes me want to go make a batch of sugar cookies and just eat them. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and swap it on our lips here. Okay, you guys. Why can't I just be great? I just really want to be great. I do. All right, you guys, so here's sugar cookie. Now, I love the smell of sugar cookie. I love all things sugar cookie. But this on your girl's lip right here is not hot, okay? First and foremost, I like Little Miss Piggy. I look like rubber lips. Like, this is not attractive or appealing. So this shade for me is not really appropriate for my skin tone. Even though you would think it would be, it really isn't. Honestly, you guys, I think for someone a little bit lighter, it will probably blend well in more with their skin tone than it will for me. I just, no, not at all. I love the liquid lip. I love the liquid lipstick, you guys, but no, it's a no for me for this color. All right, you guys, so the next shade is going to be Peppermint. Woo woo. Oh, it's candy cane, my bad, but still, it's the same thing. Okay, so this is what the Peppermint candy cane looks like, you guys. Super red, not super red, but you know, a pretty Christmas red. And it smells like peppermint. You guys, if you have stinky breath, this is probably going to get you right, because your lips is going to take up for that breath effect, okay? But you guys, on a serious note, when I was a kid, like during the Christmas season, my mom used to buy peppermints, you guys, and she used to buy candy canes, and she would buy like those good soft peppermints. Y'all know, like the balls or like the sticks. So the other day I was at Target, you guys, and I found a box of the soft peppermint sticks that my mom used to buy when we were children. Because she wouldn't share it with us, you guys. She would actually go and hide it. So she would hide her peppermints from us as kids, and we would go find it. So we even know she had them in like a chest, or she had them hidden in her closet somewhere. We was determined to find. She used to hide chocolates and everything, y'all. But that's a different story. But you guys, I found them and I was like, oh my gosh, I had these when I was a kid. I remember when my mom used to buy this, you know, used to buy it, and then we would sneak and try to find them to eat them because we loved them so much. So that's a fun fact, a good fun memory for Christmas. But this is peppermint, you guys. It smells like peppermint. Oh my gosh. Love the color. Let's go ahead and swatch it on our lips, you guys. Oh yeah, this is my color right here. This is my color. You guys, this is all me right here. This right here is all me. I love this color. My lips are like minty. They're tingly. They feel nice. Just look at that. So pretty. And it's not like one of those bright reds, like a cherry red, but it's like a muted Christmas red, like a deep to medium to deep red. I love this color. This is like really gorgeous, you guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Like, oh my gosh, I can see myself wearing this a lot. This is all me. All right, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and move into the last shade from this collection. This one is going to be Caramel Apple, you guys, and that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I love caramel apples. I haven't had one in a long time though, you guys. And then this is the actual color and shade of that one. All right, you guys, so here's the actual color and shade of that one. So now we're gonna go ahead and swap it on our actual lip. Swatch it, that is. All right, you guys, and this is the Caramel Apple. Alright, you guys, so I absolutely love the caramel apple. It's something similar that I would actually wear. I love the color. I think it reminds me of like a deep, like orange, like a rustic orange. It's very pretty. Again, you guys, I love the feel of these on my lips. They are so amazing. They're so great. And it's something that everybody should have. Even if you have the mini ones or the full size ones, they'll definitely last you for a long time, you guys. A little bit goes a long way. So that concludes today's video, you guys. If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is Krissym. If you enjoyed the video, go right now, hit the subscribe button and that post notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.